Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for February 16 to 28, 2025. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Gemini, let's see what's coming to you this second half ng Feb. Victory, wow, oh, kayo'y panalo, wagi. Ikaw ang nagwagi, Gemini. Ayan. So, maaring meron ka isa-celebrate na event or anything na goal na na-achieve mo. Pwedeng nanalo ka sa contest or na-achieve mo yung certain goal na matagal mo nang gustong maabot. Oh, ayan, harvest. Kaya naman pala, kaya victorious kasi meron kang good harvest. Yung iba sa inyo, literal, meron kayong mga lupain, tapos may mga itinanim kayo. Ayan, so, it's time to harvest. Yung iba naman, this can be metaphorical na meron kang mga itinanim na ngayon, hina-harvest mo na. Example, may mga projects ka, creative projects, or sa trabaho, ginalingan mo talaga, nag-perform ka ng maayos, so ngayon, nare-recognize ka na, or meron kang rewards. Letting go. You are letting go of something that is no longer serving you. So, for some of you, you are releasing something na alam mong kailangan mo ng palayain para maka-move on ka na. Kasi marami ka nang natutunan sa experiences mo. And now you're willing to let go. So your overall energy, the 10 of Cups. So ang ganda ng energy na to, which is happiness, being with family, celebration, fulfillment. So maaring merong pagsasalo-salo with the family, gathering with the family to celebrate victory. Pwedeng ikaw to, no? Meron kang na-achieve or a family member. Your challenge is the 4 of Wands. So as a challenge, pwedeng merong para siyang may place kayo na pupuntahan na hindi kayo magkakasya sa lugar na yon dahil marami kayo. Or pwede ring may reunion, pagsasama-sama, and then merong awkward moments doon sa iba nyong kamag-anak. And I also see a challenge in your home life, family life, or sa mismong bahay ninyo. Maaring meron kayong kailangang ayusin na nasira na gamit or part ng bahay ninyo. Your opportunity is the Wheel of Fortune, which is about energy shift or change in your situation, which is for the better. And then your blessing is the Ace of Pentacles. Wow! Okay, there's a new beginning. Merong new source of happiness, new source of income. Pwedeng bagong trabaho to, bagong business. Yung iba sa inyo, meron ditong nag-resign. At masarap yung pakiramdam nyo kasi nakalaya na kayo dun sa trabaho ninyo. And now you're going to pursue your passion. Kaya masayang masaya ka. Dahil you are surrounded by people na very supportive sa'yo. Alam mo yung feeling na wala ka na sa toxic environment. Ganon. So, money, career, finances, you have the Moon. You have the 6 of Cups. And the Tower. Oh, major change talaga. Gemini. Parang may trigger moments kasi rito na maaring nagtitiis ka talaga sa career mo, trabaho mo, and then dumating dun sa point na hindi mo na kaya kasi pwedeng hindi na maganda ang pagtrato sa'yo doon or yung mismong environment sa workplace mo ay very toxic na, and you feel like hindi na siya nakakatulong sa mental health mo. So talagang you are finally listening to your instinct, to your intuition. Mm. There is more than meets the eye. Be careful who you deal your finances with. Someone might be taking advantage of your vulnerability. So when it comes to your finances, no, kung merong mag-offer na, uy, subukan mo tong business na to, Gemini, maganda to. So, do your due diligence, kumbaga, na ikaw yung may responsibility ka na alamin, i-research yung mga bagay na pinapasok mo sa business. And also, maging maingat ka rin sa mga taong pakikisamahan mo sa trabaho, kasi sabi nga nila, alam mo yung mga katrabaho mo, hindi mo kaibigan yan eh, sabi. May napanood ako, which is somehow, it makes sense. But in some cases, nagiging kaibigan talaga natin yung katrabaho. But of course, to a certain extent lang, na wag mo masyadong ibuhos, kasi minsan, competition pa rin yan eh, pagdating sa work. Okay, you are meant to be successful. Yes, Gemini. And you have a decision to reconsider. So maaring meron kang decision making na kailangan gawin, na kailangan mong pag-isipang maigi before ka mag-finalize. Okay? So whatever that is, kailangan mas yung decision mo is divinely guided. Kumbaga, you are listening to your instinct. So, sa yung love life and family, you have the 5 of Pentacles, the King of Wands, and the 3 of Pentacles. Okay. So, some of you, pwedeng meron kayong project within the family or yung person mo that you are dealing with na magnegosyo. Kasi pwedeng nagiging challenge na ang finances ninyo, na kailangan nyo nang magtulungan para makaahon sa financial struggle. If you are struggling financially. I also see here na sa relationship ninyo, pwedeng meron ditong someone is pinapahirapan kayo no? Na instead na tinutulungan kayo, hindi kayo mas lalo kayong pinapahirapan. So, ngayon, meron kang pagkakataon na magstay sa relationship na to or umalis. May options ka, you have trust. Your faith in this relationship is needed. May sumasabotahe kasi sa'yo So, minsan alam nyo, yung partner natin, sila pa yung nagsumasabotahe sa atin. 'Di ba? For example, alam naman nila na may trabaho ka kinabukasan, aawayin ka. So, syempre, 'di ba, somehow, emotionally devastated ka. Parang, hindi ka magiging ganun ka functional sa work kung ikaw ay nagugulumihanan or nanggaling sa isang challenge with your loved one, 'di ba? So, yeah, I think kung talagang sumusobra na, kumbaga, you have to draw the line. You have to set boundaries. And if this person that you are dealing with is masyado ka nang tinitake advantage, it's all up to you if aalis ka sa relationship na yan, if ipalalayain mo yung sarili mo. You have the Sun in Aquarius in the 11th house. So, I see that very popular ka, no? Marami kang kaibigan, maraming tao na people are drawn to you, na gusto kang maging kaibigan, gusto kang makasama. You also have Venus in the 4th house. So, this is giving birth. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, in some cases, no, maaring may mga anak dito or mabubuntis. So, kayo na yung bahalang kung ano yung gusto nyo mangyari. Kasi kung kayo ay active sexually, then gusto nyo na mabuntis, and keep doing that. Pero kung ayaw nyo, maging maingat, okay? Marami kang makakausap ngayong second half ng February. I think this has something to do with yung mga creative projects na gusto mong gawin, or meron kang magpapalawa ka ng network. Everyone is on their own journey. How can you focus more on your own path? So, ito yung pagkakaroon ng attention sa goals mo. Kasi kung gusto mong matupad yung mga goals mo, kailangan dun ka naka-focus, hindi sa goals ng ibang tao at hindi sa mga ginagawa ng ibang tao. So, I think ngayong second half ng February, hindi mo hayaan na ma-distract ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. You will keep your eye on the prize. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.